आ तो यहाँ रहे हैं लेकिन कोई रिसीव करने वाला आई थिंक उनके पास कोई नहीं है, लोगों को अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है।
I've been in Manipur, rural Manipur sitting and I've seen things move. It doesn't mean it's an alien craft.
In 2008, our team did an investigation in Rajasthan and they actually clicked a real picture of an unidentified flying object.
Why do the aliens not like engage?
That's crazy.
यार ये मैंने बहुत देखे हैं यार.
But bro, I saw it with my eyes, man.
This is a very common thing. If you talk to an abductee, they are highly introvert. And I have been in contact with 2 alien abductees from India and both are completely introvert.
All the drones are cameras. We are in the Truman Show.
So you're saying the UFOs are drones?
They're cameras.
So a guy contacted me. He said कि मुझे ऐसे beings दिखाई देते हैं. The exact same beings are witnessed by Americans. So the thing is, जो चीज़ अमेरिका में हो रही है वो इंडिया में भी हो रही है. The people are not aware. That's why they are not coming out.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Out of Syllabus. आज का episode is actually out of syllabus also because we're going to be talking about extraterrestrials, alien lives, other planets, different vibes. Today we have Avlok here who's a skeptic about what this is really.
Skeptic.
And Kos is a hardcore believer, extreme believer. Hitesh is a UFOlogist who's evidence-based only.
I investigate on UFOs, UAPs and life outside Earth. And today I am with some great real evidence here related to UFOs.
And I'm a guy who believes on Mondays and doesn't believe on Tuesdays, whatever I feel like that day. हितेश मेरे को ये बताओ कि सारे aliens अमेरिका क्यों जाते हैं?
हाँ.
इंडिया क्यों नहीं आते? नोएडा क्यों नहीं मिलने आते मेरे से?
जबकि यहाँ तो वीजा फ्री कंट्री है ये तो इंडिया. लेकिन एलियन सारे वहीं जा रहे हैं, यहाँ नहीं आ रहे. जाके पूरी दुनिया यहीं आ रही है.
हाँ तो यहाँ रहे हैं लेकिन कोई रिसीव करने वाला आई थिंक उनके पास कोई नहीं है, लोगों को अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है. सो अवेयरनेस इज द मेजर प्रॉब्लम. अगर हम वेस्ट की बात करें तो यूएस में एवरीवन इज अवेयर अबाउट एलियंस, यूएफओज. इवन अ 5-year-old kid knows about aliens and UFOs. So definitely they are visiting here only.
So basically your fundamental belief is that aliens are real, right?
Yeah.
So like, can you explain how did you reach that realization? Like, how did you figure out that aliens are real? When did that happen for you? What was that? Like, what was that moment that, and you were like, shit, हाँ, ये तो सच है, aliens सच में exist करते हैं.
जब तक खुद evidence नहीं देखा तब तक believe नहीं हुआ था. In 2008, our team did an investigation in Rajasthan. And they actually clicked a real picture of an unidentified flying object, which was not an aeroplane, not a drone. It was completely out of the world. Because the aerodynamics, the shape, the size, and the speed, the maneuver, totally different. It was not something from this world, which the team witnessed in 2008.
Ooh.
This was actually landed on the ground and it took off in front of their eyes.
Oh really?
इसका speed इतना ज़्यादा था, like till now we don't have that technology to cover up that speed. In a fraction of a second it just moved and vanished in air. So this was a very high speed
Light भी
object.
निकल रही है इसमें.
Yeah, exactly. It's a flame kind of propulsion system. It's a disc shaped UFO. We generally categorize this.
It also has wings, no?
Yeah.
Stabilizing wings.
So this is a very common UFO which people witness from around the world. Very common. This is a disc shaped UFO. We never know. But हमारी एक थ्योरी है विच इज़ अ वेरी जो काफ़ी हद तक इम्प्लीमेंट होती है हर जगह और ऑलमोस्ट हर केस में. वेयर वी हैव मोर एंड मोर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज एंड मिनरल्स, देयर वी विटनेस मोर एंड मोर UFOs. दैट इज़ अ वेरी सस्पिशियस थिंग. लाइक इन छत्तीसगढ़ वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ UFOs एक्टिविटीज. Chhattisgarh have lots of coal mines and gold mines and lots of minerals and precious minerals are there. Yeah. And even also in Rajasthan we have good number of mines and lots of minerals.
Where was this in Rajasthan?
This was in this Banswara district.
That's close to what? Sorry, I mean.
Banswara is in the south part of the Rajasthan actually.
Okay.
Near the Gujarat border.
Minerals या कुछ मतलब
very high. It's on the Gujarat part of the Gujarat and Rajasthan part and lots of minerals and very rich mineral area and lots of companies are there related to this mining and all.
वो पोखरा टेस्ट कब हुआ था?
98
में हुआ था. Okay. क्योंकि वो एलियन का वो न्यूक्लियर पावर से भी कुछ
exactly.
कनेक्शन है.
न्यूक्लियर पावर से बहुत ज़्यादा कनेक्शन है because not just India, Russia and USA में भी जितनी भी न्यूक्लियर फैसिलिटीज है, lots of UFO activities there and same kind of UFOs, disc-shaped UFOs going here and there with a lots of speed, lots of different maneuver, and they're always attracted with these nuclear power plants as well. Maybe there's a lots of source of energy.
Like I'm convinced that they're UFOs, right? In terms of unidentified flying objects, but I don't link that to alien life. Like how do we make that jump, right? 100% you saw this. It's something that maybe at that point in time, like, okay, this is out of my realm of thought. 2008, even drones were not such a big thing, right? Now, like, you have, sure, they don't look like that, but like you have Predator drones It move unbelievably fast.
But the thing is कि जो same चीज आज हम देख रहे हैं वो पिछले 70 साल से देख रहे हैं. From 1940s जब cameras थोड़ा public होना start हो गए थे, like people used to get cameras, तब से UFO sightings are being recorded. And 1940s 50s में you can't ever imagine that kind of technology. कि एक object यहाँ पे next second it's thousands of kilometers away and he's levitating in the air, changing directions and making all kind of maneuver in the sky. So ये चीजें 1950s में, how can you imagine that it was a man-made or a secret program?
Yeah, I'll give you like if you, I mean, you go further back in history. If you go into when the Mughals invaded India, right? They brought in cannons. Right. No one had seen cannons. Right. This like metal thing that shoots fire and rips up people. Right. That's how they just took over India. But at that point in time, cannons were an alien technology for the Indian subcontinent, right? Mongols, they invented stirrups. No one had seen that technology. That enabled them, this small metal thing, they were able to control their horses and do archery, alien technology. So I'm trying to say that like in the sense that you've always had these leaps in technology, which have happened in pockets. People have been like, what the fuck is this? If we go, 2008, you had if this happened now, you probably have an iPhone and that quality would be way better, right? But now millions of people have iPhones. Why are even now, all the images of flying objects such low quality?
Because of MIB maybe? MIB?
Yeah, maybe.
Men in Black.
Yeah, definitely. Men in Black exists. Now, the real life Men in Black, what they do, whenever in the West, when people used to see UFOs, and they started, putting on Facebook, hi, I saw a UFO. The next day, they used to witness MIB. MIB used to come to them and say, please keep this private. We, the government people, are very responsible to investigate on it. You don't have to, create a chaos in the community about this kind of thing. So this is what real MIB do. And
they're the ones who erased Bob Lazar's thing, because Bob Lazar says he was from MIT and Caltech and he did physics from there. Bob Lazar is a guy who जिसकी वजह से हम whistleblower, जिसकी वजह से हम Area 51 के बारे में जानते हैं. And तो MIB लोग ने जाके उसका पूरे records काटे हैं, मतलब उसका निकाले हैं, because actual physics लोग कहते हैं कि he doesn't sound like he knows science.
But that is the work of MIB. They are undercover agents by the CIA and
yeah, but undercover agents like kill people. They don't come and say, please, bolna mat na.
No, they actually threaten people. They are not soft. Every person who have witnessed the MIB on the door, they say they are very threatening people. Two people, black dress, black car, they come to the location and they threat people. Keep the shut up. You don't have to talk about. I'm just expressing it very calmly, but they are very brutal.
Hitesh,
yeah.
क्या आपको threaten किया है?
I got one threat on call.
What are you saying?
I got one threat on call in 2017, but I don't believe who exactly it was, but that was a threat. Yeah. And he just called me up and he was like, please don't get involved in this kind of things. It's about, and keep like अपनी तबीयत का ख्याल रखो. He was like कि तबीयत
in Hindi?
In Hindi, yeah. He said कि hello, please don't
get MIB is in India?
I don't believe that Indian government has this kind of people in it.
Call करके बोला तबीयत का ख्याल रख, and then he cut the call.
He said कि don't get involved in this kind of thing and keep up, तबीयत का ख्याल रख.
ऐसे कोई uncle तो नहीं था like look after yourself बेटा.
He was the tone was very serious. And I don't know who exactly it was. Maybe someone just called up, but it was a threat.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग की जो सिविलाइजेशन है, हम लोग खुद एलियंस हैं. हम लोग एलियंस ढूंढ रहे हैं, जबकि हम खुद एलियंस हैं. हम लोग मार्स से आए हैं, क्योंकि मार्स पे भी अभी रेडिएशन है, काफी न्यूक्लियर रेडिएशन है वहां पर. यानी वहां पे कुछ हुआ है ऐसा से पहले कि वहां पे सिविलाइजेशन हमारी खत्म हुई है और वहां से भेजा गया है एस्ट्रोनॉट्स को, जो शायद अकॉर्डिंग टू बाइबल वो एडम और ईव हो. और यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी इतनी सारी सिविलाइजेशन रखी हो कि वो जो सांप दिखाया है एडम और ईव का, क्या वो एक रेप्टिलियन रेस हो. तो उसको मेटाफोरिकल वे में समझाया गया, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पर अर्थ में वो एडम और ईव आए, उनको भेजा गया, तो यहाँ पर लाइफ थी यानी और बीइंग्स थे, सिर्फ एडम और ईव नहीं थे.
So but then basically theory of evolution is not true then.
नहीं, exactly, I don't believe in this.
You don't believe?
क्योंकि डार्विन्स थ्योरी ऑफ एवोल्यूशन आप देखा जाए तो बंदर से इंसान बन रहा है, लेकिन आज के बंदर क्यों नहीं इंसान बन रहे? इतने टाइम से बंदर इंसान क्यों नहीं बना?
मार्स वाली बात वैसे आपने बहुत जेन्युइन की है कि अर्थ के लिए हम एलियंस हैं, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट फ्रॉम अर्थ ओरिजिनली. वी डिडंट ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम अर्थ. दिस इज व्हाट द Yeah,
this is true. Life came from outside.
Yeah, exactly. We came from outside. We are the outsiders.
Oxygen
for Earth.
also came from on a comet.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Very strong theories कि this life on Earth came from an asteroid which actually crashed on Earth. But the Earth was so much habitable that we evolved here. So this is a very good point.
कभी कुछ भी थियरी आई है कि यार ये एजेंडा हो सकता है, कुछ प्रूसी लाइक यू सेड रेडियोएक्टिव मटेरियल के पास
हमारे पास
न्यूक्लियर स्टफ,
एलियन अबडक्शन जैसी चीजें होती हैं. एक इंडियन का केस सुनाता हूँ आपको. In 2015 I was very much into this media and all. A guy contacted me and he said कि मुझे रात में ना बहुत अजीब से ड्रीम्स आते हैं. And I was like, क्या dreams आते हैं? The way he expressed everything what he saw is totally similar to what Americans abductees witness during abductions.
Yeah.
Okay, exact same. He said कि मुझे ऐसे beings दिखाई देते हैं. So the thing is, जो चीज़ अमेरिका में हो रही है वो इंडिया में भी हो रही है. The people are not aware. That's why they are not coming out.
I mean, what kind of being?
He said the greys, the beings with big eyes and big head, white and grey color.
अच्छा, grey aliens. Okay.
He actually described a grey alien beings. He said कि they continuously come to my dream.
I have another question here in this. Why are aliens symmetrical, look like humans?
इस पर एक रिसर्च हुई थी and what the research concluded that एक time आएगा कि when humans will be exact look-alike like grey aliens.
Because we'll get very hot, we'll have to go underground, and then our eyes will get bigger and our brains will get larger.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
But what I'm trying to say is that, like, in the sense, see, I'm telling you, I go in the same wormhole. I'm just trying to say that, to quote Neil deGrasse Tyson, we share DNA with a banana, right? We have high level of DNA similarity with a banana. So in all millions of permutations, combinations that are there, it's taken us 4 billion years to become what we are today. So in terms of, like, if all the millions and billions of possibilities that are there, aliens will look like us.
आपका point ये है कि हम अपना DNA बनाना से share कर रहे हैं, यानी
Yeah, but I'm saying it's so close, but it looks like a banana and we look like this.
ठीक है, मतलब
but something that's come from so many light years away,
correlated, right, in this planet. लेकिन ये भी मैंने पढ़ा है कि एक ही चीज है, एक ही बीइंग है जो जिसका DNA किसी अर्थलिंग से मैच नहीं करता, वो है ऑक्टोपस.
I've heard this theory. I haven't googled it.
तो फिर क्या ऑक्टोपस सच में एलियन है फिर उस थ्योरी के हिसाब से?
क्यों नहीं यार, मैं तो कहता हूँ aliens could be deep down underwater because we've not explored that only.
Just 5 to 7% of ocean we have explored.
ठीक है, okay, but then why do the aliens not like engage? Why do aliens come?
Because we are lower beings.
Pick up people, like every alien abduction story है here is रात में आके beam आती है, उठाते हैं, फिर anal probe होता है. Like what the fuck is up with aliens? Why are aliens just doing anal probes on people?
इसका अच्छा
मेरे को ये लगता है कि
what the fuck is up with aliens? Like this is what I think. I'm telling you.
हमारे अंदर क्यों जाना चाहते हैं?
नहीं, but मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि ये तो
there's some fucking superior being.
We are social beings, but we can't expect every being to be social enough. वो नहीं चाहते होंगे.
They don't want to talk. But
they are introvert.
But देखो, social हो या नहीं social, अब Big Boss देखना सबको पसंद है. तो voyeuristic nature तो मुझे लगता है यूनिवर्स में I have seen one बंदर look at 5 other बंदर्स fighting and enjoying and watching.
So maybe it could be that maybe we are in a Big Boss simulation.
Yes.
And those are cameras.
भाई मैं तो कह ही रहा हूँ.
This is all that Jim Carrey movie. Truman Show.
हाँ, Truman Show.
We're all on the Truman Show.
मैं कह रहा हूँ ड्रीम्स जो होते हैं ये सब सिमुलेट, मतलब मैं तो
see I'm more willing to buy that we're in a matrix and in a simulation than that aliens are.
But who's designed the simulation? Who's designed the simulation?
तो मतलब आप कहना चाह रहे हो कि ये पॉडकास्ट एलियंस करवा रहे हैं?
Yeah.
Everything is pre-planned.
Everything is being controlled by aliens, and this ties into your larger point about ancient gods, no?
Simulation वाली theory तो बहुत genuine है. We are all living in a simulation. I also believe that truly, है ना? सब कुछ like ऐसा लगता है everything is like pre-planned. Someone has जिसने develop करके छोड़ दिया है humans को.
और बीच-बीच में छोड़ता रहता है, सही कह रहे हो?
बीच-बीच में update देना आ जाते हैं. And they are like, yeah, exactly.
Okay, तो आप कहना चाह रहे हो कि aliens बीच में आ रहे हैं, bug fixes करके चले जा रहे हैं?
नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ aliens नहीं है, those are cameras. Okay. All the drones are cameras. We are in the Truman Show.
So
this is Big Boss.
The UFOs are drones.
They're cameras.
Voyeurism.
हाँ, yeah.
Oh, ये तो किसी ने नहीं बोला.
और जब वो दिख जाता है वो ऐसे वो वहाँ से हुक लूज हो गया वो नीचे गिर गया.
मस्क कहता है 70 years में जो अपना टेक्नोलॉजिकल एवोल्यूशन हुआ है, it's insane how realistic gaming has become यार. So कहता है कि VR in the next 20 years is actually going to become, we are creating our own simulations. And it only makes sense that we create our own simulations within another simulation.
It's like आपने जो simulation create की gaming के through, वो जो उसमें जो characters है उतना real कर दो कि वो character के अंदर consciousness आ गया है और वो फिर वो अपना time निकाले ये जानने में कि वो यहाँ क्या कर रहा है और मेरे को कौन चला रहा है. तो it's like हम एक game है.
Yeah.
Exactly.
मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ अभी I was listening to one guy explaining this only and the logic is that there are about 20 billion Earth-like planets, but we have never heard, like we keep sending out messages. There's a program where they keep sending out messages. कोई reply अभी तक नहीं आया है. इसमें theory भी है. Alien theory. There's a pro theory and there's a negative theory. Depends which one you want to get.
We haven't get the reply, but message तो definitely आया है. Even there is a NASA laboratory in Vadodara in Gujarat. So we have received some good signals from outer space as well. और एक SETI करके एक government semi-government organization है US में. They are getting really good signals from outside in a very proper pattern.
इस थ्योरी के हिसाब से दूसरे प्लैनेट्स पे भी हैं एलियंस.
एक wow signal मिला था.
हाँ, this I heard about.
It was a wow signal.
Wow.
Yeah.
But no one took it seriously.
What is wow signal?
It was actually a signal from space, which we have a lots of collective,
नहीं, आवाज क्या wow वाली आ रही थी?
No, not wow actually. We have lots of sensors around the globe. They
How is it a
always
wow?
they always try to get signals from outside Earth. तो एक code आया and that code was actually decoded and it decoded into wow, WOW.
क्या वो सैफ की आवाज में था? Wow. तो मतलब सैफ अली खान is an alien. क्या सैफ अली खान एलियन है? कमेंट सेक्शन में आप लिखिए. मेरी थ्योरी के हिसाब से रेप्टिलियंस यहाँ रह रहे हैं, लेकिन देयर आर अदर बीइंग्स लाइक आर्क्टूरियंस, प्लेडियंस, अलग स्टार सिस्टम पे. तो
And the Earth is flat.
नहीं,
No, I'm asking, checking.
अर्थ इज नॉट फ्लैट. वो तो बहुत पहले बता दिया था. बड़ा अवतार में ऐसे भूगोल ऐसे गोल बना हुआ है अर्थ, तो उसमें तो दिख रहा है जो बोर है ना, वो अपने सूंड पे गोल सी जो धरती है वो, और प्लस हिंदी में भूलोक बोलते आए हैं. तो ये तो बाद में उन लोगों ने बोलना शुरू किया थ्योरी, ये नासा वासा ने बताना शुरू किया 9 प्लैनेट थ्योरी, जबकि हमारे मंदिरों में नवग्रह की पूजा हो रही है बहुत पहले से. वो नहीं देखा उन्होंने.
We have Vimanika Shastra. It's not just about a story. Vimanika Shastra have a very precious information to how to build a spacecraft which can do intergalactic travels.
Yeah.
We have this.
No, I've seen this. Even
Yeah,
NGC
we have
did a
this.
thing on this.
So why
you
are
don't
we
believe in
not?
aliens?
Why are we
I
not
still
talking
don't
about
believe
it? Why are we not talking about the technology which is written in our textbooks?
But
The
why
West
aren't
people-
we able to recreate it? Is my question.
Sorry.
Why can't we because it's very detailed.
They are getting recreated, but not by us, by the West people. West people are coming to India. They are taking our ancient texts. They are
Yeah, but
getting everything.
I mean, where is the spaceship?
No, not yet. We haven't developed the spaceship yet, but lots of good researchers are already working on it.
आई थिंक
To
जो
create a
भी
good
स्पेसशिप
विमान.
जो लैंड करती है ना ऊपर, जितनी भी है वो इस शेप में होती है ना. तो हमारे विमानिका शास्त्र में यही तो
वो
mentioned है.
शेप सेम है, हाँ,
Same है.
100%.
तो वही तो किया उन्होंने.
पर मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, आप एंशिएंट अपोकलिप्स देखो, उसकी थियरी यही है that there was a period when we were very advanced civilization, then the flood came and wiped out the thing, and this handful of people who were very tall, like you guys keep telling about aliens, came and re-gave information of how to live life.
But you agree that aliens exist. That we all agree. On Earth they've come or not, we don't know.
I'm saying that
Let's take it to this.
very arrogant to believe that of these 20 billion Earth-like planets that there are no aliens.
Aliens exist.
And our understanding of aliens being like carbon-based forms with 2 eyes, nose and all, maybe that is not what aliens are. They could be microorganisms, things like that. So I mean that of course
वो तो हो, but
Yeah.
वो तो है, but मैं कह रहा हूँ कि you're
The
not.
aliens flying around Earth in spaceships, abducting people and doing anal probes, I'm not convinced.
उसका भी मैंने बताया ना कि वो क्या पता हम ही हो फ्यूचर टेक्नोलॉजी में, है ना.
But do you think that is what it is?
Exactly. It can be. It can be. He future से we have done time travel. That is a very good probability.
हाँ, but we are aliens because we don't understand it. So right now we are mentioning it as aliens. But that's right. If
Our definition as
but he's
aliens.
right here.
Like for
If we
them
are
it's
humans going into the future and coming back, then it's not aliens.
Let's see his evidence.
So I just want to say, like you guys tell me. What is that? What is that? Can a plane be moving that fast? अभी देखना. Clear sky है. You saw that?
Wow.
You see that?
Wow.
Did you see how it moved?
Maneuver.
Did you see how it moved?
You showed this to me before. I saw same thing in Manipur.
But look at how it moves up. Look at how it moves up.
Look at the maneuver, bro. Yeah, look at the.
Crazy, man.
This is what I'm talking
That's
about.
crazy.
यार ये मैंने बहुत देखे हैं यार.
But bro, I saw it with my eyes, man. I saw it with my eyes.
Speed.
Man,
Speed.
and that's what I said. I said, is this a drone area? Is this where, you know, because it's Kashmir, is it like a lot of people, they're like, हाँ, but इधर कुछ ऐसा नहीं होता है, and no planes also go, and the speed is insane.
Speed is insane.
And it just goes whoop, whoop, and it vanishes.
But again, it's from your point of view.
मतलब इसका क्या मतलब?
Bro, this is not normal technology, na? It's
How
not
do
a
you
drone,
know?
it's not an aeroplane.
How do you know?
Basically, so you're saying that the government might have technology which we don't know about.
I'm saying, dude, it could be a drone. It's about perspective. How do you know?
हाँ, but a drone, but it's still.
Do you know how fast a drone
We
can
know
go?
it's a drone.
No, I mean, मतलब a normal drone, I know how fast it can go, but this.
A military drone.
Like ऐसा चल रहा है, suddenly whoop.
But do you know?
It actually covered.
I don't know.
It actually covered multiple kilometers.
Yeah.
How do you
दिखने में
know?
बहुत close है.
But how do you know? That's what I'm saying. It's like from that. That's not. How do you know it's multiple kilometers?
Very far. और इतना far अगर कोई object इतना ज़्यादा move कर रहा है, so it's hundreds of kilometers.
It's insane. Like when you look at a plane moving, you know a plane's moving. That's fast. A plane is fast. A plane is faster than a drone. It's not. A drone is faster than a plane.
Depends.
मैं अभी भी उसी पे ही हूँ कि मेरे को अभी भी लगता है वो aliens नहीं है, वो humans हैं, future के brats हैं, spoiled brats हैं जो मस्ती करने आ रहे हैं और मस्ती करके जा रहे हैं.
I think
मेरे लिए alien की definition अलग है.
I think एक reason ये हो सकता है कि maybe they are from a future and they want to preserve us from the upcoming threats which might come.
But it's a bit
they
late.
want to-
But they're feeling really badly. Global warming हो रहा है, pandemic सब हो रहा है.
But they are trying their
ये ना
best.
Netflix पे show है actually. अगर आप देखोगे वो वापस आते हैं फिर इसमें वो ट्रेलर देखा मैंने एप्पल पे या नेटफ्लिक्स पे मुझे पता नहीं वो it is these people coming back to give people like information to react in time, and that guy is like, then why the fuck did COVID happen? And he's like, but you got a vaccine in 6 months because we came back.
तो ऐसे अगर इंडिया ने वैक्सीन बनाई तो क्या इंडियंस के साथ कांटेक्ट में थे क्या एलियंस?
एलियंस ने फ्यूचर से लोग वापस आके टेक्नोलॉजी देते हैं.
2015 में हमने एक केस इन्वेस्टिगेट किया था. It was alien implant case. An Indo-Australian lady was implanted by object in her left shoulder. We took out that implant from her body.
वो इम्प्लांट क्या था?
वो implant is completely copyrighted by Daryl Sims. He owns that implant. So it was a complete metallic object which was totally not from Earth. That object was a metallic, and that actually is a, you know, what we call it, which comes from asteroids. Actually, it's a iron ore which we get only in asteroids.
This Indo-Australian person came to India and got.
Yeah, she was a lady. She was abducted by aliens from last 20 years.
For 20 years they kept her.
Yeah, from the last 20 years, she was badly hurted by them mentally and physically.
But what did she, when she was abducted, what did she see? What were the stories she told you?
Abductees have almost very common stories from around the world.
But
She
doesn't
also
that
have
seem
the,
like a problem to you?
yeah, that's obviously it's a very big problem.
No, if the story is all the same.
Then what's the problem? Like we are coming to, it's
Because
good that we are.
It's a learned behavior, no? So we did a documentary on possessions. We went to Dosa and Hasuram where lots of women come for possessions, right? And then like we sat with sociologists and psychologists to break that down. And their reading of that and understanding of that is that it's a learned behavior, right? So that's why they say the same things. You see it around you, you learn like growing up, you see like mata aa jati hai, people get possessed, you see that, you see the behavior and you learn that behavior. So whether there's some like psychological trauma or if there's a power dynamic or things like that, so it's a learned behavior that's is then executed. So the things that they all say, the pattern of movement is very similar.
What about the consequences when they get after abductions? They have marks on their bodies. We have seen abductees with marks on their bodies.
Yeah.
Probe marks on the left. Usually, abductees have probe marks on their body.
Like, can you show me?
Yeah, I have lots of photographs. Do you see this?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
This is the very most.
बट ये तो दाद है.
हाँ, first hand knowledge पे तो हम यही कहेंगे, but you know when 10 or 15 people come together and they say they saw those beings,
And they're all different, they're not connected to each other.
not connected to each other, exactly, and they always show these kind of marks. These were the same marks on my friend as well, which came from Australia. This is the exactly, and they're always 5 to 7 marks only, not 3, not 2. They're always 5 to 7. Because mark is a physical thing, you can't just show it up.
You can't just.
And these marks are always on the left side of the body, not even the right side of the body. Either they are on the left leg. Always. 90% cases they're on the left side of the body. Either
But
on the left
that's
leg.
interesting because like 90 to 95% people are right-handed. So maybe they're making the mark themselves with their right hand on their.
But how can they all be the same? Like I would. Okay, let's say I would.
Wow, I like that.
No, but you
Point
can make this mark with the
point.
left hand as well, na?
but like
No, but you use your dominant hand to.
Question is then, are there any left-handers, left-handed
10%,
people?
no?
Very rare, 10%. Very rare 10%.
Because how many left-hand,
People
on
exist.
average, left-handers are
10%.
So you're saying
Self-harm,
most of the people are delusional.
potentially.
No, but how can it be so like exactly this? Like,
It's a learned behavior. My counter is that it's a learned behavior.
But okay,
Apart from marks, they have implants also, no?
so exactly what is this implant thing you were saying? In this person, what was this implant?
There are only very less cases of implants, and we were very proud ki we found out one case from India as well. And that implant is so unique that it's under the skin, but there is no cut or any kind of surgical thing done on the skin. So how did that came into the body? That's a question. So that is the technology.
How big was it? Like how?
It was a very hardly 3 to 4 mm piece of metal. It was a very micro object.
What do the implants do? Do we know?
According to the theory, they say that it's about collecting information about the human body.
So what is unique about the people who get implants?
I think they are mostly introverts. This is a very common thing. If you talk to an abductee, they are highly introvert, very much disconnected from the world. They are into their own. And I have been contact with 2 alien abductees from India, and both are completely introvert.
Do they have friends?
No friends.
No friends. So they're like lonely.
Completely lonely. This is one of the psychological thing we witness in abductees. And it's very hard to get out information from them as well. They are struggling. Abductions are mostly, they are very harmful, like physically and mentally. So they are hurted people. And unse information nikalna is very tough. I told you, when I was into these media interviews in 2015-16, lots of people contacted me. And there was one guy, a very young and fine guy. He said, bro, please help me, and I'm very messed up with these kind of things. He had marks on his private parts actually, the exact same marks. Why would someone draw this kind of marks by force on a private part and send me photo by, bro, I got marks on my body? He did.
I mean,
he did
like maybe for attention.
He put that specific skin, and he said me, bro, I got these marks a few days back, and I really don't know what kind of thing.
For a moment, let's pause. Okay. Aliens, their advanced race traveled all across the world to come here, right? I mean, and it comes back to that. That's what I don't get. They come from they have advanced technology. Clearly, if they're able to be here, right? They're traveling, they know shit. They're smarter than us. And then they fucking come in to do an anal probe, burn someone's private parts. Like, the fuck is wrong with them?
Yeah, exactly.
This is where the whole alien thing for me falls apart. Fucking travel from another planet to burn someone's pubic hair.
उनको पकड़ के मार नहीं सकते.
Maybe they're just fucking with us. Could it be? Like his theory that these aliens who come are like these drunk frat people and they're just here to fuck around.
Enjoy, come around.
It's what happens in Gurgaon and Noida at night. That's what aliens are fucking doing. They're drunk, fucking around with people, looking for a fight.
Darren actually shared one case, very interesting. A lady tried to mess with an alien. There was a case from America. A young lady was abducted. She was, जैसा generally होता है abduction में, she was laid on a table, grey aliens on both of the side with all those probes and everything. And she actually grabbed the eye of an alien. Because the eyes are so big, she actually grabbed the eye of an alien. This is this is how she described. When she grabbed, something just popped up, and there was actually a whole electrical kind of equipment. So it was kind of a robot, not just a biological being. So this is what she concluded. This is, I don't know how much real it is, but this is what she said.
Could be. And then Spielberg stood up and said, "Cut."
Wow, what a story! What a story! I'll watch that.
फिर ET आया.
एक और interesting चीज. When kids are abducted, they are shown their favorite TV cartoons or these kind of things. He said, "Dad, I saw Doraemon doing some kind of things in me." Because they wanted to, involve. They want that guy to get involved, so they create that kind of virtual environment so that the person can get comfortable into it. So these kind of things we have heard. And it still need to be proved that this kind of thing happens or not. So that's why we need more and more people, good platforms, lots of awareness that people can come out.
Aliens को पता है, हमारी psychology पता है aliens को.
Psychology, right?
तो क्या पता वो aliens humans ही हो? Future के. और वो जब बताया आपने कि आँख पे उंगली करी तो फिर वो electrical currents दिखे, तो वो future में है, ऐसा कर रहा हूँ. कुछ तो है connection. अब मेरे को इस पॉडकास्ट के बाद तो ये तो फील हो रहा है, ये रियलाइज हो रहा है कि सच में शायद एलियंस ना हो,
humans ही हो. This is a big thing, यार, because you costume the last 6 months, the things costume has said are crazy. Like I have been scared also. Okay.
But these are theories. मैं कोई claim थोड़ी ना कर रहा था कि ये होता ही होता है.
मुझे बीच में लगने लग गया that you got abducted and therefore your mind changed.
I wish.
I will ask you those 100 questions definitely.
Yeah,
Please.
You should please ask
let us know.
So aliens are good or bad, guys? What do we think?
I think both, as per the cases, as per the experiences.
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है aliens जो है माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं और ऐसे कुछ कहानियां हैं मैंने कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश की. जैसे बचपन से मैंने सुना है जिन जिन्नात के बारे में, वो हमारे बीच में रहते हैं, साथ में रहते हैं. ऐसा मैंने देखा नहीं है, बस मैंने सुना है कि जिन जिन्नात हमारे बीच में रहते हैं, हमारे साथ में रहते, सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, पता नहीं चलने देते किसी को, और वो आग से बनते हैं. ऐसी कहानियां मैंने सुनी है. मैंने कहा व्हाट इफ दे आर द एलियन रेस लिविंग अमंग अस as disguised as humans. और ये हार्वर्ड की भी स्टडी आई है बीच में रिसेंटली कि aliens are living among us. हमें नहीं पता है, वो हमारे जैसे बन के रह रहे हैं. तो क्या पता है वो ऐसी स्पीशीज हो जो अलग अलग कल्चर्स में अलग अलग नाम से पहचानी जाती है. अगर जैसे वो बताया कि एब्डक्टीज जो होते हैं उनको दिखते 2 एलियंस खड़े हैं सामने, ऐसी थ्योरीज हैं स्लीप पैरालिसिस के बारे में कि डीमन उनके ऊपर बैठा हुआ है. तो सबको अलग अलग चीजें दिख रही हैं, लेकिन क्या पता वो एक कॉमन चीज हो. तो क्या जो स्पिरिट्स है, घोस्ट है, डीमंस है, क्या वही एलियंस है?
Or maybe when you go to sleep, right, that's when your reprogramming is done. कुछ मैट्रिक्स में प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है, एरर फिर उसमें ऐसे होता है. By the morning you started again, है ना, और इसलिए घड़ी में प्रॉब्लम है.
Crack the matrix.
इनको पता चल गया.
Matrix यार पक्का यार.
We are basically we're in the matrix.
कि लाइफ में आके कोई भी fuck ups हो रहा है तो it's not you, it's the matrix.
It's the matrix.
So
simulation.
We'll not keep it
fine, you are a nice person.
सही है. I think अच्छा theory है. Life को जीने का अच्छा theory है. If it's messed up, it's the matrix.
Bro,
if it's good, it's you.
I got it. In the matrix, how is Neo connected to the matrix?
Through the
right, it's all like
through those
probes.
Yeah, probes.
Which have those 4.
That's true.
What if the aliens are just reattaching the probes? There's no anal probing going on. They're just reattaching the probes that got loose. And that's what people say that they've been abducted.
I won't take the name of that.
You believe this?
No, not at all.
This guy.
Maybe the abductees are equipped with all those probes and they can't actually see it because of different wavelength.
Maybe that's true. Maybe we have like different like.
We can just see the
maybe
Mars
right
from
now
Mars.
I have like all of that and I can't see.
That's true.
If you are enthusiast and if you really love watching sky and doing night sky watching, enthusiast about space and UFOs, just please go out in the fields, do investigations, connect with people like you and watch for sky. You will definitely see UFOs. Write it up, collect people, connect with photographs, click photographs, make videos, post them online and be authentic and original.
इसी बात पे if you've liked this out of syllabus episode, which is so out of syllabus, but it's been fun.
Cost of approved out of syllabus.
Then don't forget to like, share
and subscribe.
Comment bhi kar do, and what did you think about this episode?
And tag your alien buddies.
And ask the questions.
Tag those aliens who abducted you.
And don't forget to subscribe to
Okay Tested.